to distribute. If you saw that you have the same coefficients on both sides but different constants, you could have stopped there and said this is what type of solution? X is the same. But if you kept going, let's say you added 8x, you would have either gotten negative 8 equals negative 2, or if you moved one of them over, you would have gotten 0 equals one of the numbers. Either 0 equals negative 6 or 6 equals 0. Either way, it's no solution. Right? And then for number 5, we are solving an absolute value. We have to isolate the absolute value, get rid of the 3 first. But what happens when we have an absolute value that equals a negative? So if you did more than that, you erase everything else. This was number 8, so keep in mind that you'll be turning this in soon, once we finish 9 and 10. Before I pass out tests, there were some things I wanted to talk about, mention. Right, so today is test day, and I will be passing out your test in a moment. So those of you who need to finish your test can be working on that. Those of you who want to start retake process should be doing that and using this time wisely. And then those of you not retaking that are missing assignments are going to be working on that and so on and so forth. However, all of these things I want you to make aware and try to change and be better for the next marking period, especially because these are the first grades of the next marking period. Some of you aren't using class time wisely. That's time after lesson or flex day. Some of you are using to talk to each other or pretend to do work, but not actually do work. And then you're panicking at the last week of the quarter trying to get your grade up when you could have been using time wisely. So today we're going to use time wisely. To mean, if you're missing assignments, you're working on those assignments. Or you're doing the assignments when I tell you to do them. That way you don't play this catch-up game of, oh, now I need to do this, oh, now I need to do this, now I need to do this. You just do the assignments ahead of time, you won't be playing that catch-up game. Now, the additional practice is different because I have them posted once tests are done. But if you've at least completed your original Delta Math and assignments, that's one less thing for you to worry about. Of course, test corrections can't leave the classroom, but if you use the time wisely and get those done in class when you have the time, you're not after school all the time. Also, many of you are coming to see me for retake purposes, but not to get help prior to the quizzes and tests. You need to do that. If you feel like you don't understand what we're doing in class that day, or the next day, or that week, you need to come see me. Go through practice with me. Come get help. Waiting until you've already taken the quiz, already taken the test for retake to get help is not the time to get help. Do we understand each other? I need to see head nods or say yes.
Yeah.
All right. So if you need to finish a test, you are doing that first despite retakes. If you already finished your retake work and I spoke to you about retaking today, you can retake. If you need to retake and finish a test, you're finishing your test first. So I'm going to move some people around.